Once upon a time, in a fairy kingdom, there lived a kind and gentle soul named Cinderella. Join us as we unfold the timeless tale of grace and enchantment. In a humble abode, Cinderella toiled under the harsh rule of her wicked stepmother and stepsisters. Yet, she maintained a spirit untouched by bitterness. Amidst the hardships, news of a royal ball reached Cinderella's ears. A magical event where dreams come true. It became the beacon of hope she desperately needed. In her darkest hour, a fairy godmother appeared, transforming pumpkins into carriages and mice into horses. Cinderella's rags turned into a gown fit for royalty. As Cinderella entered the grand ball, she captivated all with her grace. The prince, drawn to her kindness, danced with her throughout the night. She tried midnight escape. As the clock struck midnight, reality set in. Cinderella, leaving behind a glass slipper, fled the ball, her enchanting night slipping away. The prince, determined to find the mysterious maiden, embarked on a kingdom-wide search. The glass slipper became the key to unveiling true love. The glass slipper perfectly fit Cinderella, leading to a joyous reunion with the prince. Love triumphed, and they lived happily ever after. The lesson we learned that the tale of Cinderella teaches us that grace, kindness, and courage can overcome adversity. No matter the circumstances, one's spirit can shine through. And so, dear viewers, may the classic tale of Cinderella inspire you to find grace in every step of your journey. Subscribe for more timeless tales and let the magic of storytelling continue to weave its spell.